In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a carousel in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a carousel on your canvas and fill it with your own content so it looks polished and works the way you expect. Start by opening your browser and heading to framer.com. If you're prompted, sign in and open the project where you want the carousel. This brings you to your project canvas, which is the main workspace where you lay out frames, text, images, and components. Make sure you're on the correct page or frame where the carousel should live, so placement and sizing will make sense within your design. Next, look for the Insert option in the Framer interface. This is your gateway to all built-in elements and components. When the panel opens, find the Elements section and navigate to the Interactive category. Interactive is where Framer groups components that respond to user input, and that's exactly what we need. Select Carousel. Think of this as a container that will hold a series of slides users can swipe or click through. With the carousel selected, drag it onto your canvas and drop it where you want it to appear. You can resize it using the handles so it matches the layout of your design. A common approach is to match the carousel width to your main frame or grid, which helps maintain consistent alignment across breakpoints. With the carousel placed, turn your attention to the right-hand Properties panel. Look for the section labeled Children and click it. This is where you'll manage the individual slides inside the carousel. Click Add, and you'll be prompted to select what you want to include. Choose existing layers, frames, or elements from your project that you want to turn into slides. If you've already designed slide content, like images with captions or cards, this is where you attach them to the carousel. Repeat the add action and select again to include more slides. You can continue adding until your carousel has all the content you planned. For a clean, smooth experience, keep slide dimensions consistent. If your slides are frames, give them the same width and height so transitions feel seamless. Naming your layers clearly can also make selection faster. As you finish, you'll see your carousel populated on the canvas, ready to respond to drag and swipe interactions. In the Properties panel, you'll also notice options like pagination and autoplay that you can explore later to fine-tune behavior and styling. That's all you need to place a carousel, connect your slide content, and get it functioning inside your design.